G'day viewers, Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel. Here's the latest update on my Astor radio restoration. Okay, I've got some really good news. I've solved the slipping problem with the radio tuner dial. The solution's actually quite simple. I was thinking of putting like molten wax on the tuner dial and or rubber tape, but the rubber tape wasn't going to hold on, and I don't have wax on me, so I thought just try some electrical tape. So I've done that, and that solved the problem because it's not slipping anymore. So there, I can now move the dial along, move the tuning capacitor along quite happily. So she's working quite well. There's no slippage whatsoever. So I'm really happy about that. Alright, let's flick her on and have a bit of a play. So just going to wait for it to warm up. There we go. Let's...
Papa in the house? Is it Big Papa or Big Papi, Sammy? No, it's Big Papa. It's Big P-A-P.
Nalogu istakao da Srbija i u ovim izazovnim okolnostima dosledno I odgovorno.
That is, at night, it's better to have a white spot or a stripe like a devil because it breaks up. Second spot rises one, and third spot will be, I think your file will be Major Molly from Cadillac Gas, though it's...
قريبة هرم كردستان وكمبانية بياني أبجي قريبة شراكة.
And that's at the end of the dial, the end of the range. So we have, anyway, we have 1, 2, 3, 4.
You'd rather be on, Sammy, of course.
So yeah, it's still got to be 5 stations. I thought there was a 6th station, but no, still got 5 stations available. That's without the antenna, so it's actually quite amazing how powerfully this radio picks up stations without even an antenna. Anyhow, there's all the listed AM stations back in the day, back in the late 1940s to 1950s. Alright, so that's that. Anyhow, so yeah, the radio is not far off completion. Just got to house it inside the unit. Yeah, I've got to fix the speaker grill because it's looking like dog shit. Also, I've got to fix these knobs to the dials as well.
I'd have
Jenny, I like how she gets up there and rolls along.
the hazers. Well, there's 2 things here. Hazers will want some rain, and will want to get the toe into the ground a little bit. I don't know. I can't. What other horse goes forward here in this race?
Alright, I'm just sticking around a little bit.
It was my fault the other day. We had the means test. Johnny O'Neill and Wayne Hawkes were talking about.
Yeah, so I don't know what this does. I think this might be set probably the tone range or something, I'm guessing.
Like people who didn't listen to all of it come through.
This switches, I guess, this switches between AM and shortwave.
listen to at all.
I know, and that was our fault a little bit. Sometimes when you put out a tweet, you got to, like, if you can't write it so it is taken into context, then you shouldn't put it in. You got to, because you can't, like, if you're taking.
Jer za njih nagrada ima nemerljiv značaj za celu ekipu. Lazar Tasić je dodao da nije čak ni pomišljao.
Alrighty, so anyhow, so yeah, I'm really pleased. The now got the dial all working and everything. Yeah, and wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Anyhow, so yeah, I've got to now fix the speaker grill, and now I've got to get another one of these knobs. So I've got to fix up the other two knobs so I can put them on the on the pots and dials and switches. And yeah, then assemble it all together, and she's pretty much complete. Now, of course, I'll try and clean up the Bakelite cabinet as best as possible as well. Alright, well yeah, I'm pleased with this. Stay tuned for my next update when I've done some work on the speaker grill, and yeah, got to locate another one of these knobs and yeah, put them all in. Need to also get another light bulb as well, put it in as well. Yeah, alright, well that's about it. See you in the next video. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.